conserving water or water conservation. Most of India has good average annual rainfall. However, we still face a water shortage nearly everywhere. This is one of the major environmental problems in our country. Conservation of this very precious natural resource is very important, and it is the need of the hour. It should start with every individual. It must start with you following or some of the things you can do to conserve this precious natural resource. Do's for water conservation. 1. Reduce the amount of water used for daily activities. For example, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth to save water. Second, reuse the rinsing water for house plants. Reuse the water that vegetable are washed into water the plants in your garden or your potted plants. Three, always water the plants early in the morning to minimize evaporation. 4. Soak the dishes before washing them to reduce water and detergent usage. 5. Look for leaks in the toilet and bathroom to save several liters of water a day. 6. While watering plants, water only as rapidly as the soil can absorb the water. 7. Use a drip irrigation system to water more efficiently. 8. When you need to drink water, take only as much as you need to avoid wastage. So many people in our country do not even have access to clean drinking water. 9. Saving precious rainwater is very important. Harvest rainwater from rooftops and use it sustainably to recharge wells to reduce the burden on rivers and lakes. 11. Replace chemicals like phenyl, strong detergents, shampoo, chemical pesticides and fertilizers used in your home with environment friendly alternatives such as neem and biofertilizers. Groundwater contamination by household chemicals is a growing concern. For Ganesh Chaturthi, bring home a idol instead of plaster of Paris idol and donate it instead of immersing it in the river to reduce river pollution. Do nots for water conservation. 1. Do not turn your tap on full force. Instead of, maintain a slow flow. Second, do not use a shower. Instead, use a bucket of water for bathing. A 10-minute shower wastes many liters of water as compared to using water from a bucket. Three, do not overwater garden plants. Water them only when necessary. 4. Do not pollute source of water or water bodies by throwing waste into them. This is the water you or someone else has to drink. 5. Do not throw waste into toilets because finally it goes into water bodies. Thank you. Have a nice day.